As you can see, I can't sign in. I'm getting IP flooded. The IP flooded me like 20 minutes ago. I've been trying everything to get back online, but I can't get back online. My router right here, the blue light is on. I should have connection, but I don't. I reset my modem, my router, everything. Still can't get online. On game 1, I was in the middle of hosting, and I guess they IP flooded me, and everybody went to a 1 bar. So I ended the game so we could play game 2, because I guess it was my fault because it was one bar. And so at the end of the game, that's when it signs me out. It signs me out of Skype, it signs me out of everything. I couldn't get back online. As you can see, my IP address is right there. Everything's okay. Wireless, 100% signal. And I just can't do nothing because I'm being IP flooded. I'm sure I'm gonna test my connections. Everything's gonna pop up, but it won't let me sign in. Succeeded, obtain IP address, succeeded, internet connection. I don't know what's taking so long. Why is it not succeeding? I wouldn't even check obtain my stuff. Catch my stuff and reset. Let me see if I can sign in. Still can't sign in. New IP stuff. I'm gonna try scanning my stuff again. Test it again. The internet connection succeeded. Everything succeeded. PlayStation Network succeeded. Everything is succeeded, but I can't sign online. Everything I've been IP flooded. I can't do nothing. If I try to go on the internet, right here, go to just type anything www. It won't even go to the internet because I'm being IP flooded. It works now. Let me see if I can sign in. I've signed in finally because I've been IP flooded. I'm going to make a dispute on me IP flooded.